a very needful thing, and that's why each and every industrialist is also thinking in the manner that how we can bring down the prices of the internet. And after that, the phones, smartphones we have, the demand has increased and lowering the price. But I'm going something outside the topic. But the main thing is that regarding the social media, we can remain connected. And a part of this, the social media, certain things that is the con side. Uh, like that, the people keep on chatting when they have to work, perform work, and even though from the when they start their day and from in their working hours until end, they are keep on chatting on social media like that. I'm talking about WhatsApp, and they waste some time there. But it depends on person to person how they are using that. A part of this, like Facebook, also, the people are crazy to whatever events they have in their home or outside. First of all, they will not enjoy even in the restaurant any food. Like that, they have to first take a selfie, and after that, they are going to do they are going to eat their food. But they are losing some kind of thing, even though the second person who is looking their snaps is also chasing that I will also do in this manner. I will go in a particular restaurant, even though that person is not capable that much. But everything one what other are doing, we will also do. And sometimes some crazy people taking photos on mountains and hilly area, which may maybe there is a cases of death that are reported previously. Such kind of thing is that, but the it depends on person to person. The social media is very good if we use it appropriately and in a helpful manner to connect with each other and to connect with someone we are not able to talk with them in a busy schedule of the day-to-day life. But it's better. It depends on person to person. Finally, I want to say that.
Yes. Absolutely, I got it. So it depends on the person whether they want to use it for the benefit or they just want to use it negatively also. So which can
Right.
impact the got it, got it. All right, Abhishek, what is your thought? What would you like to share on this?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, according to me, the social media is a normal way to connect to your friends. And according to
Mm-hmm.
industry, you can get a proper knowledge about an industry from the social media, about the techniques and the products, all of the stuff going on. And
Mm-hmm.
according, mostly people use social media as the show of things nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's not a good thing. So
Okay.
we have to use social media properly. That's what it made for.
Okay. How do you use social media? What is your point? Like, how do you use for social networking? You use for business, news? What is your, or for entertainment? What do you think?
Now I just using my social media for just connecting with my friends or from the outside world and the industries. I follow some industry pages like some automobile industries like BMW and Audi, so I can get a proper information about their upcoming inventions or products or new cars, anything, their engines, what are they working
Mhm.
on. So it's basically a fun thing to get
Okay,
knowledge or
information source. It's a
yes,
source
sir.
of information for you. Okay. So you basically use social media for a source of knowledge. You more believe that you should use as a source of knowledge, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you follow so that you follow the automobiles engineers and brands. So whatever they come up with the new things, then you just check the new latest technology or the latest trend in the automobile industry, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep,
We just
yep, understood.
collect the
Got it.
information and share it to our friends so that they also can know about
Mhm.
these things.
Sure, yeah, I understood. Yeah. Okay, it's a good thought that you just wanted to use. So individuals, everybody having a different thoughts that you wanted to use it for news, somebody use it for entertainment. So it's a social networking site. We all know that, but now it has increase its capacity beyond the social networking site also because it is in the business, it is everywhere. So there are a lot of aspects we will be discussing more on this. All right, Marutesh and Pankaj, what's your thought about this?
Yeah, social media have a positive and a negative impact. Positive or it give an information. If, giving an example, in current scenario, through social media, people come to know about the what is the situation of COVID, how to be careful. We would be careful through this, and what are the precaution we could take. Everything we come to know through the social medias. And the social media is also sharing the informations, like if you go for YouTube, you will see so much of knowledge related video. It helps to enhance our knowledge. And it will be, social media will be daily updated. Everything daily updated news you will get from the social media. And the negative impacts are the social media. Some people will misuse the social media. And if you see so much of crimes are the uh, social media criminal activities are going on. They are doing some of the harassment. And there is some of the misuse of the social media. Like this, there is positive and the negative impact. Anyhow, if you see the social media, there is more positive impact. Hence, people want to think how we want to utilize this one. And who are not using, you are misusing this social media, the people should not encourage them. uh, they should be punished. And it is a good technology which we should use in a positive manner. Thank you.
Absolutely, yes, yes, a valid point, Marutesh. Yes, it is a technology, and it has. We should use it wisely. We should utilize it in a wise manner, because technology can be used in every aspect, whether it's a positive or negative. It depends on us how we want to use it. So that's a valid point. That depends on us. If we take it negatively, of course, we can create a lot of opportunity for negative thoughts. But if we take it positively, it will give you so much of power. So yes, people are addicted for these things. A lot of people do some nonsense, but yes, if we understand these things properly and we wanted to use it in the favor of mankind, in the favor of humanity, of course, it's a lot of things, whether it's a knowledge, whether it's a news or a business or anything. And your point is valid that YouTube is what's the biggest platform for each and every information you have on YouTube, and it's the most trending thing, even in COVID-19 also, that people can't live without YouTube, whether it's entertainment or it's knowledge platform. It gives you each and everything which you're looking in the daily life. So absolutely, good thought. Yes, Pankaj, would you like to talk? Pankaj or Bhagnashri, anybody?
Yes, yes. Hi, Akhilesh.
Yes, hi.
Uh, now,
Hi,
actually,
how are you?
everything has a merits and demerits. So I think social media has also advantages, disadvantages. So I would like to say about the advantages of the social media networking. So here the most of the things, like if you are gather all the knowledge, you can gather all the knowledge from the YouTube and Facebook. Like just Bhardutis has said, that COVID-19 situation that we are facing in this situation. So there are lots of things that we can aware all the things from the social networking side. And apart from this COVID-19, like if we are here for speaking skills to share all the things, so we can also take things, grammar things, and speaking skills and public speaking, all the things we can gather all the information from the Facebook and the YouTube. So it's a good things about the social media networking. And the negative thing that is if you are a baby and if your baby sees your baby is searching the YouTubes and all, there's a lots of things that impact your negativity and also. So I think there's a second thought at my side. So there's a difference between the advantage and disadvantages, at my opinion.
Hmm. Okay, okay, yes, everything has a two merits, whether positive or negative. It
Yeah, yeah.
depends, again, I would say, on us that whether we are very educated people and we know how to use it. If we blindly use anything, technology, if we blindly go and we will waste our time, that depends on us. And if you wanted to use, if you don't want to waste your time, we want to use wisely, then it will give you the good positive results. So
Yes,
yes,
yes.
it is a good thought. Your rate of speech is high, Pankaj, so try and speak a little slow, and
Okay,
you
sure,
speak
sure,
very
sure.
fast. So work on this. That when you are, trying to explain your thoughts somebody, just try and cool, ease, calm. Okay.
Sure, sure,
Okay,
definitely.
that's it. And Marutesh, for you, a little bit of work on the pronunciation can take you very longer way, which you want to achieve your things. Little bit, and it's a very natural thing in the southern part. But if you can work on this will help you.
So, Akhilesh, how can we overcome? I think this is a type of rate of speech. So,
Rate of speech, you first need to say, for example, today you got the feedback that yes, my rate of speech is high. So next time, whenever you speak, just keep that thing in mind that first of all, each word should be pronounced properly. So we as an Indian, we speak very fast because we do not pronounce the words rightly. So whenever you're speaking, till the end of the alphabet, you need to pronounce that word. If I say speaking, so there is a G sound is coming in the end. So that's how you should memorize that. Yes, the proper pronunciation is important. I will not eat the word quickly. If there is coming is, are, and was, or any verb, helping verb is coming, then also I need to speak. There is no shortcut. And little bit ease in your body language when you speak, little bit easiness when you will feel like a comfort that there is nobody. I am just imagine that I'm not going anywhere and nobody is going to say anything to me. And of course I am a good speaker. That thing you have to keep thing in your mind that I am a good speaker. So if you speak slow, obviously this will help you. So proper pronunciation is important. And just like how we say proper pronunciation is important, proper pause is necessary.
okay, okay.
So
We'll
in
definitely will.
every one, yes, yes, in every single line you can take a pause. So then you can start another sentence. Then you can take a pause. Then you can start a sentence. So this is how we can, work on this. So it you will adopt slowly and gradually in your overall personality. It actually takes time sometimes, but you can easily, once you have the feedback, people like to work on that. Then you will be able to implement that.
Yeah, it will take time, but I will try my best to.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, I'm sure you can. You should
yes,
try. Yep, yep,
yes, yes.
absolutely.
Thank you so much, Akhilesh.
All right. Okay, anytime. Yes, yes. Yes, now we have Bhageshwari. Bhageshwari, what do you think about social media?
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Hi.
So social media is very interesting topic and vast as well for discussion. Everything is having their disadvantage and disadvantage. So if we will talk about advantage, so social media is a very good thing to connect each other and also get to know how what is going on around us. So by social media we can connect every time we can connect with our known persons or to whom we can connect. Without social media it is very difficult to connect with people and know to about them. But because of social media nowadays this become very easy and very uh, very comfort as well. So we know that what is going on with my that friend and with the friend. So that is makes very good for us. And other thing is that why social media gives us opportunity to learn and anything whatever we want. Only what we have to do, only we have to willingness to learn that activity. If we have that willingness, and if we have control over our mind, then we can learn anything over the internet, that give over the social media, that gives us lots of opportunity and lots of articles, lots of videos. We can get means we can get each and everything whatever we know want to know. So if will think that this is very good thing. And as you know, everyone know and everyone discuss that everything is have their negative things as well. So social media also have in such a way that it is good, so in same way it is very bad for us as well if we are using in a wrong way or wrong mindset, or without any without to know that this is the right thing or wrong thing. So because if there are lots of people and lots of hackers or bad mind also that shares fake news and fake things. So we need to careful all the time, like what is fake and what is correct. So we have to more conscious and more careful about that, like whatever we are getting from social media, that is it good, it is fake news or it is good news. So we have to careful. And one more thing, we have to control to us, like how what time and how much time we have to spend over the net. Because what is going on nowadays, everyone is having a mobile, everyone is having connectivity to connect the social media. So when I go over the net, so I am going to learn like English. And there are lot of distractions things. So I'm going to learn anything, and what happen, I suddenly I switch on to distracting things. So for that we have to make control on us, that how we are using these things. If we are using these things in control manner and with open mind, like whatever that is correct or not, this thing we have to careful about that. If we are caring these two things, then social media is a very good um, thing for everyone. Thank you.
Okay. Yep, got it. All right, Bhaskar, you highlighted very important points, which is the fake news, health issues, wastage of important time, reducing the outdoor activities. So absolutely, this is good thing that because of social media, a lot of people are so much involved in this only the mobile phone. Nowadays, we understand there is a coronavirus, but apart from that, also because of this. They're not going out, they're not participating in the outdoor activities like earlier it used to happen. And our children are very much addicted to the mobile phone because they're also parents are also involved in the social media, children or kids are also involved in the social media, so they're losing the charm of outdoor activities. So that is not a good thing, but not a good sign for in terms of health. If we talk about, you must have seen that a lot of small kids, they gain unnecessary weights and there are a lot of health issues. They, when they go to doctor and doctor will advise them, a lot of outdoor activities are missing. So it's not good thing. And the worst part is it's a fake news, which absolutely I also agree. It is the only and the worst enemy of the social media, the fake news. Otherwise, if we count, there are a lot of positive things which we have for social media, but this is only one thing, the fake news, which actually spoils the entire image of social media. So we have to be very careful about the images because people do a lot of copy, cut, paste, and editing. Then it comes, and then they relate unnecessary with the current events, which has no relevance sometimes. because we see. So that is why somebody says that everything you see on internet is not true. So because so you can also whenever you see such kind of videos, any event, any news. So give a second thought also. Do not just immediately react. Give a second thought also. Verify this. Apply your thoughts that what is this. People may use it against your emotions, against your feelings. They may cheat you. So be wise and think about twice because it's very much possible to relate the old video, the old thing, fake news. So it's happening across the world. So we have to be very, careful about this, that we as an individual should pay attention that what is this about, because once we will pay attention then the objective will not be fulfilled, then these things will not happen, these viral thing happens unnecessary. So yes, it's just a valid point. And of course the wastage of time, we should invest in enough time. Just if you want to know about what other friends are doing, you can spend some time. You want to know the news, you can spend some time, or sometimes on entertainment, but a limited portion of the time. Not everywhere. You know, you just avoiding and the important things in your life and losing productivity, which is the most important aspect. If you lose the productivity, if you lose the most important time, then there will be problem for you. So you have
एकम तो
to
रोटी खांदी
use
है
it by you have
एकम
to use
सिमरन
it very
उठाड़ी
wisely. You have to use it very wisely, that there is so it should not be any distraction in my own overall daily schedule, so that spend you more time in the productive things, which is your daily life, your study, your career, your family, and your daily day-to-day life. So yes, it plays a crucial role in your current life, but a limited one. Do not just depend on each and everything on social media. Then you go to office, then you meet to friends, then you meet to relatives, and become a discussion topic each and every time. So that should be avoided. Who left now? Aman, Joginder. What's your thought? I think you need to speak on this, Aman, on Joginder. What do you think about social media impact, guide? Then we will again start another thing.
Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Hi, Aman. Good
Uh,
evening.
Today I'm here and we are discussing the topic, the impact of social media. So social media has given some bad impact and apart some good things are also with that. Actually, over the past 2 decades, over these times, social media has gained so much growth worldwide. Actually, we are mostly, if we think about the social media, with the help of social media, we are up to date on the events happening around the world. We get all the news at that exact time. And with the help of social media, by this we can easily communicate with our friends who are not with us, who are not living with us, and very far away from us. Uh, with the help of with the help of this, we can guide our children. We can guide our children properly. Like sir, this in this pandemic, when our children are not able to go outside for their schooling and other things. They can interact with their teachers for their studies, and the teachers continue their study like with new apps, through new apps, and only because of social media like WhatsApp groups. School has made it WhatsApp groups, and students can be teach with the help of these things. Like and sir, there are some bad impacts. Our kids mostly spend a long time on chatting on social sites. I think it decreases productivity among the youth. uh, it changes the ways of kids learning and their mind. um, our kids spend more hours each day
Hmm.
watching movies. It's like an addiction to them. It is affecting their life, their mood. They are going negative mostly if someone is spending much time on their phone, and if about I am talking about my son. If he is playing some games on his phone, like he is playing for half an hour, if I am asking to him that please give me my phone back, he get negative, and he is filled with anger at that time. Why you are asking for for your phone? That is not a good thing for the kids. One more thing is that, sir, because of some more, one more thing is there, selfie addiction. Mostly kids are addicted to this do things. They click pictures with wild animals. They do sky crapping to look cool, but that is not a good thing to do these days. Dangerous things. Today's youth and our kids forgot their real life because of social media. In past time, kids play outside, indoor and outdoor games, but because of today online games like PUBG, that is banned before some days. Uh, uh, I have seen many teens being mad for playing these games. They mostly and the kids mostly copy the characters of that game. That is not good for them.
Hmm.
uh, in my side, the parents have to take care of their kids, and they have to give a proper education to how to operate their phones and how much time they have to give to the social media. Our youth, mainly our youth, we have to take care of them. Of that. That's all, sir.
Okay, okay, wonderful, wonderful. I got it. Yes, thank you. Good thought. Yes, you highlighted a very valid point about the kids and the selfie thing. Yes, we have seen a lot of unfortunate incidents. We have seen it. Yes, it's okay to capture the memories, and but yes, the too much habit of anything can, you know, can be dangerous for anybody. So yes, we have to be very careful about our, family, and especially the children and kids around, that what they are doing with the mobile phone. It's very important to keep eye, to make them understand, to play the tricks, because if you shout on them, if you directly you know oppose it, then they become negative. So that is not, again, not a good thing. So you can play a lot of tricks with the kids to avoid that thing, to realize them that there are other interesting things, or you can show them benefit of other interesting things. It depends on the parents also sometimes, how they are involving, or they just not, they're so busy in their life, they're not able to pay attention. So of course, yeah, you all know how to manage your daily life and the families. So yes, but keeping eye is a good thing, so that you can monitor. But yes, it is not a good sign that too much time they spend. It is actually one of the negative points of this thing, addiction, and this actually hampers privacy also, I would say, because of everything is coming on internet. It hampers the privacy also. People take selfie, people take a lot of photographs, then they post on social media. My opinion suggestion is we should post unlimited things about the family. Not everything should be on internet about you. That's my own personal thing. And you should have the memories. So of course you should have the memories, but not the entire thing should come publicly. That's individual thought. Okay, so all right, Joginder, what do you think about the social media impact, and what is your thought and process about the positive, negative thing? Where, how do you see the social media?
Okay, thank you, sir. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm speaking about. Uh, uh, Today I'm talking about social media. So first we talk about what is the merit of advantage of social media. So first, because of this social media, our thinking and living of India people will totally change. If it simply talking about poor people, before this social media in a village, there is no television and anything. So simply people are focusing on own work and nothing do. But at that time, also in village, people will watching so many things at the in our hometown. So the best thing for poor people, because so many if we're talking about poor people, these students are not capable to stay in Delhi like metro city, and also in private colleges we learn anything. So because of this social media, first we our focus about education. So people, because of this social media, we have learned anything about our own interest. Like we're talking about at that time, so many people learn like our English. At that time, we have learned English or poor and any simple talk about other children. We have learned preparation for IS. All things is available. So first, plus point of this social media, we have learned education. Second, it also give employment. At that time, we have seen our IT sector, so much companies will come. People are work from home. Like if we're talking about our English classes, ma'am will teach at work from home. So it also increase the employment of India. Also, we if talking about YouTubers, so much creativity and thinking people way because of this social media. Also, if at the time in COVID situation, we are in a, I think last 5 months we are stay in our home, not come out from the home. So it also helped to reduce the depression because people are thinking no work at that in the home. So because for this remove depression, we have watched like our own interest movies, entertainment, or also learn anything. Or also it will help to easily we get transportation facility. If we're talking about metro city like Delhi, Kolkata, so we have simply not search anything. Simply put on use Ola, Uber, we have easily get the transportation facility. And if we're talking about before 2000, so people are going for exam for any new places. We have simply very typical to reach that on that center. So because of this, we have reached anything in any place because
It's
of this.
about internet, Shobit. It's about internet, I guess, right? Or the social media.
So also in our Google, we have see any place na. So it's also a part of both things.
Got it. No problem. I'll explain further. Yeah, go ahead. It's a good thought that yes, we can book the cab easily now.
Okay, and okay, and
These are
second
the
point, if we
positive. These are the positive points you highlighted, right?
okay, yes, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Second, we are talking about the disadvantage of social media. So the first thing, it will addiction. The addiction of social media is not good. If we simply talking about, if compare about before this social media and at that time, we have all are very busy in our watching, yeah, learning anything in social media. We have all living in a one room, but we have not talking with our family member. So I think it will create the gap in a relationship. It is not a good thing. We have used Facebook, but he simply connect with in a wrong way. It will okay, sir. This point.
I will agree.
And
Okay. Okay.
and second, because we have spent so much time in on social media. If we watching anything, we have spending so much time. We have not exactly getting. We have spent so much time of this social media, and also it will produce social crime. If we're talking about at that time, China, we have banned so many have will ban because China will collect our Indian information. So I think it also produce social crime, and it reduce moral ethics to living towards the people. So thank you, sir.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Good, good. Okay, Jogendra, good thought that whenever we go for a speak, we start with a positive point. That's a good thing that you started. First, highlight the positive point, then you go with the negative point. It's okay. And my feedback to you, the work little bit in the grammar part. Whenever you're taking the regular classes, work on that part so that you sometimes, skip the grammar and just like we are watching, we botched something like that. So otherwise the rest is good. You have a good thought process, but just be careful about your grammar also. So just take special attention on that. And the good part about a speech is that you started with the positivity. However, you mixed with the internet also. See, social media, we are talking about today is the social media, which is like Facebook and the Instagram, YouTube. I don't know whether YouTube is not a social media, right, guys? YouTube is not
Yes,
a
sir.
social media. The social
Twitter,
media
sir.
is Twitter, yeah, Twitter, something which connects the social networks. There are a lot of other new websites will definitely in the market, but Facebook is so dominating that it doesn't allow anybody to come in the market. So WhatsApp is, I guess, again, is a part of the social media. Anything which connects people together on the different technology, different countries, people connect. But nowadays it has become in the lot of things, whether it's a learning, the positive impact of the social media is learning, is marketing, interaction, and awareness. These are the positive things about social media. That learning, every people is sharing the videos to friends, messaging to them, copying them, and a lot of tools and technologies are there so that they are sharing with each other. So learning is definitely very important, and it is helping to the youth, especially the people who are wanted to learn something. So this is helping them in the learning. Marketing, of course, Facebook has emerged as one of the major leader in the market, and the Facebook has took over the other small companies also, like WhatsApp, Insta, and many more. There are thousands of companies. Yes, taken care. So of course, the marketing tools people use as a marketing tool. Interaction is the first objective of this. When they started, it was only to communicate within the campus, communicate within the school, college, university, or the city. So interaction now, the entire world is interacting on this group. It is, of course, it's a of course, the first point is for the interaction purpose when it was created, and any platform, social networking platform, is for the interaction. And of course, the mass awareness, it's just like on the click of the phone, the news goes in entire world. So of course, the mass awareness is very rapid, very fast. So anything which is in Delhi, Gurgaon, it can reach to US or Europe, anywhere, wherever you want to share it. The worst part about is which you all guys has shared in your speeches, like productivity addiction. Product by productivity means is that if you are continuously doing on the social media, so you're losing the other aspects, other major important roles. That's productivity addiction. Yes, there are a lot of people who are addicted, whether it's the children, kids, and few we all also, whether it's a young age and old, everybody is addicted. So that's not a good sign. Privacy, of course, one thing, and cyberbullying is also one of the point. That privacy, I have already stated that we should be careful about it. And cyberbullying is also there because a lot of people are misusing your data. A lot of people we are not aware about it, even what's happening with our data. So, and cyber crimes are happening. So, whenever you browse the social networking site, whenever you go on someone's page, whenever you go on a new page, whenever you browse somebody who's you don't know them. So be careful before you click on any link. Check about the profile. Then only you just. I'm sure you are very intelligent. So be careful. A lot of people lose money. A lot of scam happens. So it's a cyber crime thing also. So yeah, there are the things which we face here. All right, that is a discussion about overall the impact, the positive, negative. The overall conclusion is there is a positive, or the more positive impact if we count, we conclude the positive impacts are on the higher side, and negative impacts are very few. But if they are controllable, we can control those impact. So now we can discuss more about the social media, just like. As a tool. See, what I mean by this as a tool is how you can add value by using the social media. What do you think you wanted to use it in future? What is thoughts coming in your mind? It is just for you. It is a source of entertainment, passing the time, or you can use it as an a business purpose, as in mass awareness purpose, as an interaction purpose. What is the use for you personally? That is the overall overview you have shared as of now with me. What is your personal thing that somebody is there who is using it as an uh, has some knowledge or information about the social media which they wanted to share with us and help us that yes, it is a tool which has more information about it. Anybody is as of now using this as a business purpose like Facebook, WhatsApp, or any experience you have that for the marketing purpose that your family member has started business and you are now helping them apart from the seeing the pictures, videos of your friends?
Regarding the marketing purpose, I have used it sometime, and like that, we just mention our photo at there, like any video we can place over there, whatever the service we want to provide or whatever goods we want to sell over there, and then we can identify the target customer at there. That is a very good feature. We can mention the gender, the like that age category, and the places where we want that our advertisement will be placed. Then we will always get a very good feedback from the Facebook. Then in that manner we have used it a lot of time, and but the point is that after that nurturing of that lead, whatever we have received, it depends on us how we are nurture and finally turn the prospective customer into a real customer. Then marketing and sales part is also required, but Facebook is very good medium to reach out the target audience.
To the target audience, yes, that was the point. Yes, it's a good medium to reach out to your target audience, and so that you can discuss the and you can help others, or either you or someone else. It's a different thing, but you can do that some utilization of your networking. Yes, perfect. All right, so I would like to discuss the demerits, which is like fake news, health issues, wastage of important time, loss of productivity. So what you guys think the alternative of this? Do you believe that yes, I am wasting too much of time? You want me to help you in this? Any tips and techniques, or each other you want to think that yes, I am done enough of time, or either you're enjoying, you have nothing to worry about it, because a lot of everybody has a different aspect. So what do you think that these things can be avoided, like a fake news, productivity which we are it is hampering, and health issues, right, and wastage of time? So these 4 or 5 the negative things which we have against the social media. And why we are discussing it against the social media? Because of course we have the 24 hours in a day, and we wanted to use the best of the time in the day so that we can grow in life. Everybody's objective in life to grow ahead. And so what do you think that how we can avoid these things, fake news, wastage of time, we can increase the productivity, health issues? So anybody, one person one by one can tell us to share the ideas and views that this is how we should work on this, or either you are in the favor of these things. Fake news, I'm sure nobody will be in the favor, but if you did not realize, maybe you did not realize that too much you wasting of your time, and you should utilize this time there, or you're making a rich Mark Zuckerberg, you wanted to make him more rich, or you think that yes, I will be working on some my personal growth. I will be using this for my personal growth. I hope you are in this opinion and thought. Are you in this thought that we should use it in my own personal growth? Or if it's topic things are not clear, do let me know. I will express more in an easier way. Fake news, health issues, wastage of important time, outdoor activity, how we can help the children. So, Aman, since you are the mother of a baby, so what do you think? What problem you're facing when you interact with your child? How you're convincing your child that this is not good thing? And I'm sure, how are you having enough control in each and everything that yes, I am using the tricks, or you facing some challenge, so that we can discuss on this platform and other guys will suggest you this is the tricks you should use it, because you don't want to hurt the feelings of your child. I know that you don't want to be very strict, so that he, and you wanted to make him understand politely, polite understanding. So are you facing any challenge, or you just blaming on the social media?
Sir, I face some challenge. I speak them like, sir, in these days, because of in this pandemic, their classes are through Zoom sessions. Already there is a 40 minutes class of one subject. Like my son is in fourth standard, and in 24 hours, his teacher gives two classes, and one class is for 40 minutes. Like he has two classes for 40 minutes. So he's for study he spend 1 hour, like 1.5 hour on phone. After that he need phone for his work, like for written work, for question answers. And after the classes and the work he need phones for his games. Like he spends so much time on phone. If I want to talk to him politely, it is important to give him phone for his classes and for work. I cannot take phone from him at that time, no? In because of this pandemic, it is more difficult to handle the kids. Like if when they go to school, they spend 5 to 6 hours in the school. After that he go to ground, he plays. Because of this pandemic, I will not allow him to go outside, and I offer him the phone. I have to offer. I have to offer the phone to him that you should play on the phone. Please do not go outside to play. So, sir, this is more hectic to me. I have not too much time to play with my kids, but I take out some time. Like I can give only 1 hour or 2 hours to him to play with him. But it is more difficult to handle this situation, sir. It is very difficult. We can talk to him politely, but they are going on their way. They do not understand. At this age, they do not understand what I want to say to him. He needs
Got
only
it, got
phone
it.
for his gaming. That's all,
Yes,
sir.
yes, it's, yeah, it's a common problem. Yes, it's a realistic thing. Yes, absolutely right. Yeah, unfortunately, one thing which we could do is that earlier to send them out for sports, games, outdoor activities, but unfortunately, it is an unfortunate situation nowadays, because when they used to go to school, colleges, or the schools, when they used to go to school, they used to play a game, find the company of their friends. So that was the good thing to avoid that mindset that time. But unfortunately nowadays we do not have the certain things at home, so there is no other alternative that we need to figure out the alternative. But what we can do, because uh, every time you cannot spend, you cannot be with your child that all the time. But of course, because that addiction is there for the games also. My nephew also is doing the same thing. Once they complete the classes, they will only find out the phones. Where is the phones? Everything is. So the popular games are there. They also are one of the reason for these things. But yes, just wait for some time. This situation will not be always, but otherwise, yes. So if once this situation gets over, you all need to push more to allow them to join the academies, like just like we are doing the classes. There are many outdoor activities academies, or the sports
They are.
academies, or
Akhilesh,
Sorry to
sorry to
They
interrupt.
are.
interrupt you.
Actually, I want to
yes,
ask
Manoj.
Yeah,
this because I am
actually, I
also
have
having
a
a daughter. Pankaj, are you speaking something?
yes.
Okay, okay.
Achilles, I have to leave now because I have a training session from my company side at 5 p.m.
Okay.
So I will not able to continue this session. So
No problem, no problem, no problem.
any,
Yeah, yeah. Carry on, carry on.
is this any possibility to
It's
give me the recording after? Uh,
I will do that. I will do
thank
that.
you
Yeah,
so much.
I
Thank
will
you
do
so much,
that for you.
Achilles.
Thank you. Yep, thank you. Anytime. Go ahead.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yep,
Take care.
sure. Thanks, Pankaj. Bye. Take care. You too. Okay, yeah, Bhagisari, you're also mother of child and you're also facing some problem, you're saying,
Yeah,
right?
I'm also mother of child. I'm also working, so same problem that Aman has facing same problem I was previously facing. So I need to find out some solutions. So what I found, only for didn't I never give phone to my child. I used to use laptop for his classes, for her classes, and whenever her class finished, so I never give a laptop to do assignments or worksheet. I always took print out of their worksheets and then give that printout to her, so that she will be away from screen as many as I can do for her. So and for entertainment, I purchase some comics for her, in which she get and this solves me two problems, my two problems. One is she is away from screen, and other thing, she by comics, she now she is her speaking is going day by day improving. So these are some
Mm,
tricks that we can follow for our child. Like previously, I don't allow to go down to play with kids, but because now the time is going very long, so I go with her with the proper safety, like with sanitizer, with gloves, and with mask. So I go with her and for half an hour or 1 hour in the ground with her. So what I did, that make me help to away my kid, to keep away from my kid from the screen, and that make me relieve that now my kid in away from screen, and only for classes purpose I allow to watch the screen, to see the screen only. So these are the some tricks that Aman also can follow, and after that she
yes.
can face good thing.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes, Aman, you got some tips and techniques here. So, indirectly or directly or indirectly, try and take him away without telling your child that you're trying to push him away. So, involve him in your daily work, or go out with him, or whatever you can do. Play a tricks rather than imposing the direct. There will be a problem, but yes, you can play the indirect tricks so that the more they will be away from the screen, the better they will utilize the time. So yes, you can offer laptop, desktop, or other tablets thing, or whatever. You can just keep eye and play the tricks, and do not directly impose and shout, but yes, play your tricks. And of course, very soon when the school will be operational and the other things, outdoor activities will happen, then of course you can ask and utilize and those activities. So then you will be able to be all are facing the same. If you all are in the same boat in our family, I have seen all the kids and child, they are so much addicted of the phone. So it's a problem, but initially for some time they get addicted. But once you will start, taking away and allowing, giving them more interest in other things also, because their minds are very different mind. Kids and child's mind are different mind. They go towards the interesting things, right? Till once we go in the mall and shopping complex, we see those PlayStation area, then they will immediately jump and they will definitely like to play in those places. So similarly, similar kind of thing we can create. I'm sure this is possible, but yes, nowadays it is a bit tough for everybody. But if you just try and play a smart tricks, I'm sure you will be able to manage it. I hope it works for you.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Joginder, you
Uh,
right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go
Uh,
ahead, please.
I think, sir, if we observe our surrounding at the age of 2-year-old baby children, or 3-year-old children, we have observed that children are very addicted to these playing game. So I think before was giving to the phone of children, we have some security on our phone. Uh, that's one way we have control to addiction of like playing game. Or also for if we talking about the health purpose, so I think we have it's only one solution we have. Think children are very enjoying to watching and also thinking in a child age we have make a person like Spider-Man, Superman. So or also our actor. So for that purpose, also one thing we have increased the awareness of children. So for that purpose, we have so that type of video, this those video which represent the what is the importance of health, what is the need of playing anything, do these things. So these two things, I think, best way to control the addiction of anything, awareness and some security controls.
Yes, 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 you're right. Yes, what we can do, we can, just like they're busy in the games, we can, if it, we can, ask them to join any online. There are a lot of classes are happening like dance, other activities. So once they will involve in those online activities, they can, the interest can be divided in other activities also. So in short, what we need to understand from the child's mind's perspective, it's all about the interest, right? Once we divide their interest into different things, I'm sure they will be going towards that particular thing. That's what you're trying to say, right? So it's about the interest. Once we, show the other interesting thing to them, they will definitely take interest. Maybe it will be typical for you guys for initial 2, 3, 4 days, but over the time, it will definitely help you. You know, they will definitely look and they will definitely go for these new interesting hobbies. Okay, and they will definitely like to go there. But yes, some families are facing challenges in today's time, but it's a very temporary thing. Soon this will get over. Then of course you can opt another aspect like a lot of activities. Okay, so apart from this, we also were supposed to discuss. What do you think about the fake news? That how we can stop this? That was also the negative part of, apart from the wastage of the important time, addiction, and health issues. What do you think? How we can stop the fake news? How we can stop giving too much, trust on the news which we are seeing nowadays and on the Facebook or YouTube? Do you believe immediately right after watching now, or you get influenced, or do you think that we should actually, practically, we should actually, understand whether it's a right or wrong, because this will create a lot of problem. This can create a lot of problem actually.
Yeah, sir. In this area, the people, whatever who is receiving the information from whatever the channel, they are not looking the source of the information from where the information has derived and shared with every member of the group. Because normally the news are channeled through group, various that have created in our mobile. Then first of all, we check at least the source of information, and based on that we can also verify that the same thing is going on that channels also. But main thing is source. If it is from the appropriate, like that Arthur, Star News, like that, we subscribe that channel on the Facebook. On the basis of that we can rely on the basis of that. But sometimes only somebody is mentioned the text that is some kind of thing is going on, and keep on spreading that we should not rely on that. We should apply our mind and set the logic whether it is appropriate or not. On the basis of that we decide and act accordingly. I think so. That's it, sir. Hello.
Yes, you are right. Yes, Yoginder, you are right. We should give some time to this. We should not immediately, react on this. So we should authenticate it, and we should stop reacting too quickly on any news. Yeah, that's a valid thing. Yes, Marutesh, what do you think about this? How we can stop this fake news thing?
Yeah, as previous told, we should involve students in some activities. Only they will they
Yes,
stop
yes.
the then only they will stop the using of more social media. So it has good and bad also. It which will come some virus from the social media will affect to the health as well. And uh, only seeing the social media is not good. So you want to have a practical experience like playing the games in social media and playing the games in virtual and real is totally different. Hence, we should always go for the for an in involving some activities rather going for more social media. Thank you.
Okay, okay. I understood that you are trying to say that we should more focus on the other aspects of the social. Not only social media is not the entire thing. We can, focus on lot other things also in the world, which we should think about it because we are getting too much addicted. That is why we think a lot about it, right? Okay, understood. Yes, Abhishek, what do you think about it? How we can stop the fake news thing? How we should react it if we, or how we should, you know, uh, we should not play with the sentiments. So that is very important.
So the fake news is also always spreading on the WhatsApp. I just
Hmm.
check only in majorly in the family groups. And if my uncle and aunt just see any news and they forward it to anyone, everyone can know. But the fact is, they have to just make sure that news is true. It was a
Hmm.
fake news, it just make rumors all around the world. That doesn't make any sense. If the
Okay.
news is true, then we have to forward it just to make sure that the news was true.
But what do you think?
Also,
You were saying that we should, if it's real, we should forward it. So while forwarding it, do you understand that it is about the sentiments, or what does that mean? Because a lot of news are true, but they are not. We should not forward them because that can hurt the community or someone's feeling. That can be violent also. So in that scenario, I'm talking about we should be very much aware about the sentiments because
yes, sir.
we should understand that what is the sentiments you are just quickly forwarding it, but we should need to understand the sentiments also that this is particular thing is involved. It is true. See, the lot of things are happening in the society are true, but we should not forward it because if we forward these things, that it's just like giving more, you know power to that particular thing. We are spreading it and we are giving more power to that particular topic or to that particular things to spread it more, and then objective of that person will be fulfilled. So we should not forward, we should not immediately react on this, though we know it is true, but considering the the society well-being, considering the humanity and other thing, we should keep it within ourselves and we should think, okay, if we spread it, this will be negative against any community. This can be against any religion. This can be against any person also. Though it is true, but spreading it will not solve the purpose. So always understand what is the purpose of forwarding this to the friends. Okay, it's okay if you forward a joke. It's okay if you forward entertainment thing. It's okay if you forward the injustice, But it's not okay to forward something which is objective is different, right? What is your objective
Yes,
to
sir.
forward it? That we need to check it thoroughly. That objective is to spread the news and making the the objective fulfilled of that person against any community, or the objective is to just for the information. So just understand the objective, then only we should forward. If it is against any community, if it's against any religion or society, we should not forward. That is my own thing, because if we forward that, that will not solve the purpose actually, because we all in this world, we should love each other, we should live peacefully. That is the objective. And we, if we support each other, that will help us. So sometimes we get some information against any community and we immediately forward that, and then you see a lot of communal riots and government will stop the internet and all these things. So these are the things we should take care.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Pipin, what do you think? What's your point that how we can stop the fake news? Because that is one of the major challenge of the social media, just the fake news, and we immediately believe whatever we see on internet, especially the tier one, two, three, tier one city. I understand they are the logical people, but well, what about urban, rural areas? They think that it is everything on internet, TV is true.
Yeah, I can understand. As I previously explained that we are not validating the source of information, and
Yes, true.
a part of this we are not subscribing the channels on the Facebook on which we can rely, and a part of this we are spreading on the family groups, etc. But also it's our duty that we have to think about that before spreading it. Even though any information come to us, then it's our responsibility whether I have to spread it anymore or not, and I have to revert back on that uh, group that like that it's not correct and it's not real fact, and we have to not rely on this and further stop to spread it. In this manner, we somehow we can stop these kind of situation. Even though, like that in the Kangana Ranaut case recently, and there is one Indian Navy, 65-year-old ex-Indian Navy case has come into a fighting scene with the Sikh Sena like that, because the only problem is that he has forwarded some kind of picture that containing that some kind of negative impact on the Shiv Sena group. That's why it become a very big political matter also, and so that we have to one time think about that, what we are going to share, how it will impact the sentiments of various people connected with this whatever the message and whatever the pictorial presentation in the message, then how it is impacted and what can be the ill impact on me also. That because I am the spreading, anything can be traced backward and can also impact to us. These kind of things we have to just validate, and we can also spread do and don'ts also. That kind of thing we can do, and it's our responsibility. As you have already said that we are the citizen of India, and we have to bring the peace and prosperity between each other, so that everybody should think that it's our moral responsibility then how to handle these kind of thing, and if everybody thinks positively in this manner, then it somehow will help to us, and making India and bringing it a very good nation also, because everything starts from the rumor, and even though it can destroy each and everything. Like that CAA news also, that there is a lot of differences of opinion, and it will create riots, and even though each kind of property, every property has been put into the fire, and a lot of things, even though there is a loss of even lives is also the it's a loss is there, and so that we have to think
and increase prosperity and bring India a peaceful and prosperous nation. So that we have to understand. Then the things can become positive. I think so.
Got it, got
That's
it, got it.
all from my side.
Yes, yes, it's a fair point, valid point that we should understand the objective, we should understand the goals, what is the intention there, we should understand the intention, then only, because otherwise it can go against any person, it can go against the society and community. So whatever the news you have, you should keep within yourself. In case you feel that is necessary, then only you spread, otherwise it we have seen a lot of violence activity in the society. So we should understand the intention first from today onwards. Once we feel like that intention is good, then only, and what is the objective to forwarding the others, then only we should, that we are spreading the bad news against any person on community society. So we should not do that. So yes, it happens with a lot of celebrity, it happens against the people, it happens against the society, politicians, and the government officer, anywhere. It may happen with in the normal human beings, it be even within the high profile personalities also. So we should be very careful about each and individual should play the responsibility, that okay, that although I know this news, but I will not give so much or heat, I will not give so much of attention to that particular thing, so that it become a news. And it's okay, we observe, because wise people do observe the things. It's not important that you should react each and everything, and it should be the cause of discussion, it should be the the day thought of the day, like that. So we should understand, okay, it happened, that's okay, but it's not necessary to keep on thinking about that thing and just now involving other person also. That, so we should understand the objective, because if it's a sensitive information, if it's hurting any community, then we should not forward. We should play our responsibility, that what is the why should I forward this news to others? It is the learning related? No. It is entertainment? No. It has no validity. Okay, it is not against our nation also, because it is against our nation, then okay, I understand. It is against our person, then we can understand. But if it's not against anything, then we should not think about it, because if it's not happening any injustice, then why should we so much play with these things, so that the objective of that person, we are helping them. So we should not do that. Yes, Bhavyasri, we left with 5 7 minutes. What's your take on this? That anything which you want to say, that we should stop these fake news and we should contribute, because if we start contributing, of course these things do matters actually.
Yeah, of course, we should not contribute in fake news. This for stop, we should stop these fake news. We have not much control that we can stop. Only what we can do, we have to aware. Like if we will, like you said, we have to validate. Like is it for entertainment? We are saying sharing for information. We are saying sharing for what purpose we are going to share it first. Validate that news. If we are found that no, for this purpose we are not sharing, so what is the purpose to sharing? So if we are founding, if we validate or on our end, and after that we are sharing that news, that is okay. But blindly we have not to go sharing any news. First we have to validate, and then we go forward for that. If we found like this is something fake, so yes, of course we will not share it. But for stopping that, we have to comment proper note, like why this is fake news and why we are not spreading it again, so that other people who don't much care about the news that is fake, or no, sometimes they go for comment sections. So if we will found relevant that comment, so they will also not share that news. So these all activity that we can do to stop that fake news. So validating is very compulsory. If you found it something suspicious or something that impact bad on our nations or our society, so on our community. So these are things that we can do through spreading fake news.
Yes, absolutely, you're right. So these are the things that we should understand the intention behind it. We should understand the objective behind it. Whether you are browsing on a Facebook, you are browsing on the WhatsApp, you're browsing on any Instagram or any social media channel or on the internet like Google, YouTube, or any browser, Yahoo, anywhere. So we should validate it that if I am forwarding this news, I am helping this, what is the objective, what is the intention behind it, then only we should comment on that particular place, our opinion, whether your opinion matters or not. If your opinion has no value, if your opinion has no intention there to contribute anything, then there is no point to comment also. You should check that validation is very important. You should check whether it is important to comment on such activities. It is important for spreading their news. Then only we should do it. Otherwise, just in a crowd and so you just one person, nobody is watching you. You just fulfilling the objective of other person. So we should avoid these things. We should not, and also we should be very careful because if we participate in such activities, because nowadays the government is very strict, and in any country also there is a cybercrime situation, there is a proper law. If you unnecessary comment, if you unnecessary involve, if you unnecessary spread the news, sometimes you are inviting the trouble unnecessary for you. So be very careful. Social media can go against you, and I would advise you, whenever you're on Instagram, you're on Facebook, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, anywhere, be validate all the information, be sensitive, very sensitive information you should validate, and you should sensitize with your family and your kids also, that this is not the good thing, this is bad thing, and what are the restrictions should be there. So before we jump into someone else conspiracy, before we go ahead and try and put our comments there, first understand whether it makes any logic, it makes any sense or not. If it's not making any logic and sense, stay away. And because you know what, sometimes we fall in trap and then we comment, we share, and then a lot of people who will be after you, then there is no point. Why should you involve yourself in a trouble? Because a lot of rules and regulations, there are a lot of cybercrime situation wherein I have seen a very people who has done this by unintentionally, it happened, and there was no such intention, but unfortunately it was shared from their pages, unfortunately it was shared by them, so they are also invited trouble. So the law and order, the police and the authorities will track them, they will ask them, question them, why you did this. So there is a proper crime situation may arise if you do some activities like this. So in short, and in to straight to the point, we should be careful actually. So this is just the tools and technologies and software. We should be careful what information we are giving. We should be careful what objective of the other person. We should be careful. We should not post each and everything on the social media. We should be careful about privacy. Yeah, good memories you should cherish, but we should be careful that what all information we are sharing about on social media. Unlimited information is okay. We should not have 1,000 of friends there. We do not know a lot of people, because you are not a marketer. You are an individual person who is a working professional. We don't need 1,000 of friends. So that a lot of people can track you. So be careful about your privacy. You are all the mature people, you are all the intelligent people. So privacy is also one of the very important thing for the social media. You should be very careful about your privacy. You should be careful about the fake news. You should be careful how to not invest too much of time. You should be careful about the productivity, because you should focus on the good positive things so that you can learn from the social media, learning point of view, marketing point of view, and cherish a good memories. A social networking site objective is cherishing a good memories, connecting the people, sharing the information. These are the positive points. So you should focus on these 4 or 5 points, like learning and connecting with the people. It is awesome thing why we should focus on something which is not relevant to us, which is not adding any value to our life. So something which is not adding any value in life, we should not do this. All right, guys. So that would be all for today. If you have any question, you can ask, or otherwise, I would wish you a good day ahead. Hi, Bipin, Abhishek, Vagishri, Aman, Marutesh, and Joginder. Anything you want to discuss about social media? I hope it is clear now to you to use wisely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's clear.
yeah, it's
Yes,
Perfect,
sir.
perfect, guys. All right, guys, perfect. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next session. Till then, you can follow your other schedule of the trainers and on the group itself, whatever you have your schedule, please follow us and have a pleasant evening ahead. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.
bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.